Chennai District Higher Secondary Second Year Plus 2 Computer Applications Unit Test 1 held on 9/8/2021. Question and answers. Part 1. Dash refers to any type of application that involves more than one type of media such as text, graphics, video, animation and sound. Option A, an executable file. Option B, desktop publishing. Option C, multimedia. Option D, hypertext. Answer C, multimedia. Expand JPEG. Option A, Joint Photo Experts Gross. Option B, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Option C, Joint Processor Experts Group. Option D, Joint Photographic Expression Group. Answer B, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Find the odd one of the following: A, TIFF. B, BMP. C, RTF. D, JPEG. Answer C, RTF. Dash is the process of displaying still images with a continuous movement. Option A, text formats. B, sound. C, MP3. D, animation. Answer D, animation. The live telecasting of real-time program through internet is known as dash. A, webcasting. B, web hosting. C, data manipulation. D, none of the above. Answer A, webcasting. GIF use dash color lookup table. Option A, 8-bit. B, 13-bit. C, 8 MB. D, 13 MB. Answer A, 8-bit. RTF file format was introduced by A, TCS. B, Microsoft. C, Apple. D, IBM. Answer B, Microsoft. Dash is the basic component used in multimedia. A, text. B, image. C, video. D, audio. Answer A, text. Bitmap is a simple matrix of the tiny A, lines. B, dots. C, spaces. D, all the above. Answer B, dots. Expansion of PNG. A, picture network graphics. B, photo network group. C, portable network group. D, portable network graphics. Answer D, portable network graphics. Part 2. Answer any three questions. List out multimedia components. Answer text, images, sound, video and animation. List out image file formats. Answer TIF, tagged image file format. BMP, bitmap. DIB, device independent bitmap. GIF, graphics interchange format. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. TGA, Targa, True Vision Advanced Raster Graphics Adapter. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Define multimedia production. Answer: adequate time and efficient planning is required for multimedia production, which assures that the project will be processed smoothly and certainly ensures that the information reaches the target audience. Classify the image component in multimedia. Answer: raster or bitmap images. The common and comprehensive form of storing images in a computer is raster or bitmap image. Vector images. Drawing elements or objects such as lines, rectangles, circles and so on to create images are based on vector images. Part 3. Answer to any three questions. Write roles and responsibilities of production team members. Answer: multimedia production team. 1. Production manager. 2. Content specialist. 3. Script writer. 4. Text editor. 5. Multimedia architect. 6. Computer graphic artist. 7. Audio and video specialist. 8. Computer programmer. 9. Webmaster. 1. Production manager. The role of production manager is to define and coordinate the production of the multimedia project in time and with full quality. 2. Content specialist. Content specialist is responsible for performing all research activities concerned with the proposed application's content. 3. Scriptwriter. The scriptwriter visualizes the concepts in three-dimensional environments and, if needed, uses the virtual reality integration into the program. 4. Text editor. The content of a multimedia production always must flow logically and the text should always be structured and correct grammatically. 5. Multimedia architect. The multimedia architect integrates all the multimedia building blocks like graphics, text, audio, music, video, photos and animation by using an authorizing software. 6. Computer graphic artist. The role of computer graphic artist is to deal with the graphic elements of the programs like backgrounds, bullets, buttons, pictures editing, 3D objects, animation and logo, etc. 7. Audio and video specialist. The roles of audio and video specialist are needed for dealing with the narration and digitalizes videos to be added in a multimedia presentation. They are responsible for recording, editing, sound effects and digitizing. 8. Computer programmer. The computer programmer writes the lines of codes or script in the appropriate language. 9. Webmaster. The responsibility of webmaster is to create and maintain an internet web page. They convert a multimedia presentation into a web page. Describe the various file formats in multimedia. Answer any 3 points. 1. Text formats. RTF. Rich text format. It is the primary file format introduced in 1987 by Microsoft with the specification of their published products and for cross-platform documents interchange. Plain text. Plain text files can be opened, read and edited with most text editors. The commonly used are Notepad for Windows, Gedit or Nano for Unix and Linux, TextEdit for Mac OS X and so on. 2. Image formats. TIFF, tagged image file format. This format is common in desktop publishing world, high quality output and is supported by almost all software packages. BMP, bitmap. Initially this format is in use with Windows 3.1. It is quite large and uncompressed and hence BMP is used for high resolution or large images. DIB, device independent bitmap. This format, which is similar to BMP, allows the files to be displayed on a variety of devices. GIF, graphics interchange format. GIF is a compressed image format. Most of the computer color images and backgrounds are GIF files. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPEG was designed and attained maximum image compression. It works good with photographs, naturalistic artwork and similar material but functions less on lettering, live drawing or simple cartoons. TGA, Targa, TrueVision Advanced Raster Graphics Adapter. It is the first popular format for high-resolution images. PNG, Portable Network Graphics, an extensible file format for less loss, portable and well-compressed storage of raster images. PNG acts as replacement of GIF and also replaces multiple common uses of TIFF. 3. Digital audio file formats. WAV, Waveform Audio File Format. It is the most popular audio file format in Windows for storing uncompressed sound files. In order to attain the reduced file size, it can also be converted to other file formats like MP3. MP3, MPEG Layer 3 format. MPEG Layer 3 format is the most popular format for storing and downloading music. OGG, a free open source container format that is designed for obtaining better streaming and evolving at a high-end quality digital multimedia. AIFF, Audio Interchange File Format, a standard audio file format used by Apple, which is like a WAV file for the Mac. WMA, Windows Media Audio. It is a popular Windows Media Audio format owned by Microsoft and designed with digital right management (DRM) abilities for copyright protection. RA, Real Audio Format. Real audio format is designed for streaming audio over the internet. For digital video file formats, AVI, audio video interleave. AVI is the video file format for Windows. Here sound and picture elements are stored in alternative interleaved chunks in the file. MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG is a standard for generating digital video and audio compression under the International Standards Organization ISO by the group of people. Write a short note on 1 AVI, 2 WMA, 3 AIFF. 1 AVI, audio video interleave. AVI is the video file format for Windows. Here sound and picture elements are stored in alternative interleaved chunks in the file. 2 WMA, Windows Media Audio. It is a popular Windows Media Audio format owned by Microsoft and designed with digital right management DRM abilities for copyright protection. 3 AIFF, Audio Interchange File Format. A standard audio file format used by Apple, which is like a WAV file for the Mac. Write a short note about the production manager. In a multimedia production, the role of production manager is to define and coordinate the production of multimedia project in time and with full quality. The production manager should be an expertise in the technology, good at proposal writing, good communication skills and budget management skills. Also must have experience in human resource management and act as an efficient team leader. Part 4. Explain in detail techniques of animation. Animation is the process displaying still images so quickly so that they give the impression of continuous movement. The two basic types of animations are path animation and frame animation. Animation may be in one or two dimensional. The two-dimensional animation bring an image alive that occur on the flat X and Y axis of the screen. The three-dimensional animation is occur along with three axes X, Y and Z. Path animation. Path animation involves moving an object on a screen that has a constant background. Frame animations. In frame animations, multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously and the background or the objects are also changes. Explore the opportunities animation field movie industry. The animation and visual effects industry has been growing stronger and stronger in recent years. Animation is part and parcel of the media and entertainment industry, including the mobile segments. Massive international projects are outsourced to animation companies. The surge in demand for animation and visual effects experts has led to a significant increase in the number of students enrollment. India's animation and visual effects industry is currently worth more than rupees 70 billion and is expected to reach more over the next couple of years. Explain in detail about production team roles and responsibilities. Refer part 3, question number 15. Explain about different file formats in multimedia. Refer part 3, question number 16.